Today's video is going to be a review of the online shopping site Caratlane.com. Hey guys, what's up? This is Adity here. In case if you stumble upon my channel for the first time, I make a lot of budget-friendly fashion and travel videos from my end. So if you don't want to miss all that, make sure you subscribe to my channel. So I know a lot of people will be scared of buying gold online. Even I was. Is it safe to buy gold jewelry online? The quality, is it true or not? And the grams, the weight, and all those things that is going behind gold jewelry, I'm going to be busting it today in today's video. Review of the online shopping site Caratlane.com as well as the Caratlane app. So I hope you watch this video till the end. In case if you are interested in buying gold jewelry online, or if you want to convince your parents buying it, then you should watch this video till the end. So I'm going to be telling you everything about the shopping site there, and you get to know fair idea. Before we head start on the video, this is not a sponsored video. I really wish it was sponsored because I just love Caratlane so much. All the opinions are my own and I'm just sharing my personal experience with you guys. Basically gold jewelry seller online, and they make amazing quality jewelry pieces which are really so cute and they are really unique. They have their app as well as online website, which is a really cool part. So I've been using the Caratlane app for the most part and I had no problem shopping from the site at all. The app is so user friendly, it has every detail about it and the pictures are really clear, so you get to know everything that you want to know about buying gold. They don't have physical store everywhere. I think they have a couple of stores in Mumbai, Bangalore and a few other places. They are really wearable ones and you can actually wear them every single day. They have recently launched the Valentine collection, amazing jewelry collection, and I happened to see a person. I was really impressed with it and I couldn't resist myself, so I did order a few things from Caratlane.com. And previously I've already shopped from Caratlane.com, which you've seen in all my videos. I pretty much wear it every single day, and this is like a gold ring that I shop for myself from Caratlane. First time I've ever shopped gold from online. Customize option where you can click the customize and choose the carat you want, whether you want in 14 carat or 18 carat or 22 carat, or the kind of metal that you want, whether you want it in rose gold or a yellow gold or white gold. So these are some of the unique options which you don't get on any physical store. You can actually choose the metal and choose the design all for yourself and get the price quotation of it. And whatever the price they offer is like for that particular gram. So in case if you are buying a size smaller than the thing they've mentioned, so they will be reducing on the price and they'll be giving you the difference amount back as well. They give you different modes of payment. You have cash on delivery, which is the most amazing part. Just imagine gold jewelry coming at the door and you can just pay there. Not just that, other modes of payment will be like net banking, credit card, debit card, all those things are there. But the highlight of the site is that the cash on delivery is really amazing, so you can actually trust, and once you receive the gold you can actually pay for it rather than paying such a huge amount online and waiting for it. The shipment is really fast. Before you select your jewelry, will let you know when they'll be shipping it, tentative shipping date, and that is 99.9% true. They usually mention between like Feb 14th till Feb 20th your product should reach you, and that is exactly when it reaches you. Whatever the shipping details they make is 100% true. You can completely trust their website. How the package comes. So it comes in a neatly packed bubble wrap with the gold jewelry in it. Come in a beautiful metal box like this, which is so secure. The product is going to be 100% safe no matter what, and also you can store it up after using, which I really like. This is how the product contents are. Have their Caratlane card, so which is like that, and they just mention all the details about the jewelry, weight of it, and the grams, the carat weight, the color, everything they mention on it. So it's pretty clear, and whenever you're going to return it back, you're going to get the complete refund as well. Since this is like a Valentine special, so they gave a box like that. So this box has got this cute heart-shaped detailing, and then when you open, that is where the product comes. So this is how the packaging is. Packaging is pretty cute. If you're buying on a normal day, then it comes in a box like this. It opens up like that and you have the product well secured, well placed. I just got this ring 4-5 months ago and the ring has really been great. I've been using every single day and the quality is really great. This is basically a diamond ring and the cute quirky design. This ring is an oldest ring that I've been using. I've been wearing constantly and I just love it. 24/7 I'm wearing it and the quality has really been amazing. And this one is actually the rose gold version and I love rose gold ring. This is the newest launch. This is the Flexi ring, the unique and the first ever time they've made a ring that is actually flexible. The concept is really so unique, and this is like a special Valentine launch. So they have different models. It has a heart here and another heart here. So you can actually pull it up and pull it down and then change it according to your finger size. I just have to pull it here and the ring becomes loose, and you can take it off and wear it for any finger. And if you want to tighten it up, you just have to pull it like that, and yeah, it's tightened up there. It's really so unique. I must say it is kind of flimsy, not like a proper ring. You need to get used to. This is another specific Valentine launch. So this is basically a ring that looks like that, a heart that is sticking out on a gold ring. And again, it's so quirky, so new. You can actually wear it like a midi ring, or you can put it on your finger completely depending on your size. And this flexi ring, you can actually wear it like a midi ring or on any finger. You can wear it on any of your finger like that, and it looks so great. It's another ring that I got it for myself. So this has this two hearts. The design of it is so unique. It has two different hearts, and gold has XOXO on the front, which is again so unique. A gold being like this rose gold ring, it looks like an XOXO ring here, and the front part has got this heart. So me, and I just love it so much, and I had to get it. All these three are newest Valentine launch, and I'm really loving it. I'm just going to give an approximate price of it. So the infinity ring is about 6,000, the heart ring is about 4,000 rupees, and this XOXO collection is like around 12,000 rupees. It's only 1.5 grams because my fingers are super tiny, and this was like hardly 1 gram. Depending on the weight and depending on the diamonds, the product price varies. The main reason why Caratlane is best because of their 30 days refund policy, which means you can actually buy something, try it for yourself, and return back, and you'll be getting 30-day complete money back. Not just the complete refund, but they also have the exchange policy, like in case the size is not good or the model you want to change, everything they are going to do it free of cost. Not just that, they are offering 365 days free money back guarantee, which means if you purchase any gold jewelry from their site, you can use it for 365 days, and if you have any problems or you want to exchange and buy something better, they would actually pick it up for you, and you can buy any gold jewelry there, and they will be giving you 80% of the money whatever you paid. These are some of the points that really impressed me to buy jewelry from online. These are the four rings that I got, and I'm absolutely loving them. They really fit me well, and also you can exchange it for the size that you want in case if you don't know your finger size. They are constantly there to help you. It has a toll-free number. You can just give it a call and they will answer it immediately, not like other sites. I also shop from a site called nakshatra.com, Nakshatra World, and that has really had a very bad experience, worst customer care experience, worst product display, worst kind of shipping, worst of everything. That site is really a dud. If you are following on my Instagram, you must have seen it already. Whereas the Caratlane, I just love it so much, and that has actually inspired me to make a video on it, because we have had a very bad experience with one of the site, and this site has really amazed me in all possible ways. So hence I had to make a dedicated entire video just for Caratlane.com, although it is not sponsored, and I really wish it was sponsored. So I am totally in love with Caratlane.com. It's one of the best sites. You can just close your eyes and buy things for yourself. The product quality is really good. The product look is really good. The service is amazing. The customer service is a very big A, and the return and refund policy is so smooth that you can actually buy for yourself. Just because the return and refund is so smooth, you can actually buy with confidence from there, and you're not going to lose your money. And I just love the site, and I just love the Valentine collection as well. Not forget to check my Instagram page at AdityIyer, and also hit the follow button there so as to not miss the amazing Insta stories about all of these. I'll keep mentioning on a daily basis. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then do give it a like and share it with your friends. And if you have any other questions or any other queries, please leave it on the comments below. I will definitely help you guys out. Tune into my channel every Tuesday and Friday at 9 PM to find me with a brand new video. Before we sign off, if you still haven't subscribed yet to my channel, just go ahead, hit the circle icon with my face on to get instantly notified on all my future videos and to become a part of this family.